Well, hello there, YouTube. What is today? Sunday was almost the end of January. I worked today, but I didn't look at the calendar. But I've been haven't ridden for probably a month. I got COVID. I've had both my shots, so I'm walking around with no mask anywhere and thinking, I won't get it. I've had my shots. So I'm walking around Walmart, Buc-ee's, no mask, and sure as heck I get another variant of it. Lasted, oh God, mine lasted probably about 14 days. I had a fever, shivers, but the worst part, the absolute worst part was coughing. I think I need to go this way. The coughing was horrible. I mean, I'm just coughing non-stop. I can't stop coughing. Nothing stops it. And the first night I had it, I coughed all night long and never slept 1 minute. I was up all night long just coughing, and that's the worst. I'm still coughing. I don't even know if it's just a ghost cough or just so I'm so used to coughing. But I've finally gotten rid of it. I gave it to my wife. Hers only lasted like 3 days. God, I had mine was at minimum 10, 11, 12, probably about 12 days of coughing. Oh my Lord, the coughing. So I've had both shots, but apparently there's different variants of it. So now I'm probably immune to it, but I am still going to wear my mask when I go out. I stopped wearing masks because I figured, oh, heck, you know, not going to get it. But I got it. So now I'm going to wear a mask every time I go into Walmart, HEB, and Buc-ee's, and I'm just always going to wear a mask when I'm around a whole bunch of people. I don't want it again. The coughing. Oh my Lord. Come on, stoplight. Let's go. But I didn't look at the YouTube comments, but one of my subscribers wanted me to do a walk around of the Goldwing and kind of explain everything about it, and I can do that. I'll do that when I'm going to pick up a subscription, so I'll do that in a little bit later. Bye. Well, it hasn't been this nice out in a long time. I think it started to warm up yesterday, but it's actually 69 degrees right now. That's pretty nice for, what is it, January 30th? It's got to be close to the 30th. I have to look at my phone. It's super nice out. I had to take the Goldwing out. I think the very last time I rode the Spider. So I had to take this one out. One of my subscribers wanted me to do a walkthrough about all, I don't know if he wanted me to get into all the details about all the switches and what they do or not, because it's pretty, I guess if you don't have one, you won't know, but well, maybe I'll get into the detail on the next video. I won't do it today. I'll go into detail about all the switches, buttons. The cool thing about this, you can adjust the headlights up or high, high or low, and I have Pathfinder LEDs, so I put them up, and believe it or not, sometimes everybody flashes me, but I don't care, because these pickup trucks have these huge bright white lights, and then they use the fog lights, and they blind you coming at the Fords. They blind you coming at you at night, so I'm gonna blind them back. I have flashed one guy. He had his fog lights on and his low beams, and I flashed him because they're so bright they blind me. He turned on his high beams, made no difference. All you could see is 2 extra lights coming on. Made no difference as far as brightness whatsoever. So I'm thinking, oh well, what a joke. But the pickup trucks just blind you. I can't wait till I get one. I'm gonna blind them back. But I have fog lights in the cowl and in the running boards too. I don't use them much anymore.